Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, as you probably already know, I do think this is likely going to make 5 waves up, probably taking probably a year or more. I think this is now in a wave C of an expanding A, 3 waves down for B, and then 5 waves up for wave C, which should have it taking out these previous highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think that we're already in a wave 3. I think this wave C right here is the end of a wave 2. This is 5 waves up for wave 1 of wave 3. WXY wave 2 of wave 3. Now I think we are very, very likely in a wave 3 of wave 3. And yeah, there definitely will be some pretty significant pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames. But I think on the higher time frames, like the weekly, we should continue to see higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we just recently broke previous highs on the daily, so you would kind of expect to see a little bit more of a significant pullback. But I mean, really, ever since we ended this crescent right here, it definitely looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. So I think we're in a subdivision right now of wave 3. Which we still don't even have a break of structure to the downside yet, so the trend is definitely still up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. Yesterday I thought that it was going to break structure, but it ended up going down, really testing structure, and the trend is definitely still up in my eyes. The fact that the trend is still up tells me that it definitely could just keep on trending up very easily. The trend is your friend, and when you're in a wave 3 trend, you definitely don't want to try to fight the trend. Now, logically, I would think that this would be like a wave A, and this move up would possibly be a wave B, and then it would go down for a wave C before it actually continued the uptrend. But I personally would not bet trying to go short on it, because I think there's probably even a better odds that it will just keep on going and not make a proper ABC correction. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I don't think I would try to go short on this. It did try to break structure, but it really didn't break structure. It rejected structure. Now, logically, I would think that this would possibly be like 5 waves down for wave A, and this would possibly be 3 waves up for wave B, and it would go back down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels for a wave C. Now, the problem is we are likely in a wave 3 on all the very high time frames. So I definitely will not be trying to go short for the wave B, because honestly, what is probably more likely to happen is it's probably just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. If it does go down and break structure and hold below structure, then I definitely will turn into a seller, but that definitely has not happened yet, so I am 100% still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.